brand new phone cooler will keep your phone ice cold while gaming. A tiny yet powerful knife is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, and a single, adjustable wrench may replace your entire toolbox. All this and more is right here. Shift Drone. The all-new Shift Red drone is a brand new remote-controlled drone that is super easy to fly using the included 3D sensing controller. This drone offers autonomous following features so that it can track your movements and follow you wherever you go. This allows you to record high-quality video while remaining hands-free. The one-handed controller lets you maintain your freedom while maneuvering the drone wherever you need it to go. It offers 4 different flying modes, ranging from casual flying to racing. The Shift Drone is super portable and weighs less than 100 grams, meaning it is exempt from the mandatory drone registrations in North America. With a standard SD card slot, you can easily record, store, and share all your content to social media. You can use this drone with any iOS or Android device, and each kit includes a controller, a battery, a USB cable, and the drone itself. Nanoleaf Light Panels. Nanoleaf light panels are LED lights that can be adjusted in a variety of ways with the simple touch of a button. These lights are available as individual triangular pieces that can be shaped and aligned however you see fit. They attach with a simple connecting mechanism that frees them of any loose cables you need to route or keep track of. They can be turned on with the push of a button, and you can change their color or pattern with the push of a button as well. There are rhythm models available that can detect music and flash in sync with the rhythm of your music, turning any room into a rave instantly. With Alexa compatibility, all you need to say is, "Alexa, change Nanoleaf to blue," or "Alexa, turn off Nanoleaf," and your smart speaker will do the hard work for you. Black Shark Fun Cooler Pro. The Black Shark Fun Cooler Pro is a new device that can help cool down your phone while you're busy gaming. This device is equipped with 147 cooling fins and a fan that can spin up to 6,200 RPM. This means you'll be able to cool off your phone in as little as 1 second. This helps reduce the consumption of your phone's battery and will extend the life of your device. A Halo RGB light is built in, giving you 12 colors to choose from. The temperature of your device can drop up to 28 degrees Celsius, meaning your phone will be ice cold in seconds. You don't need to plug the cooler into your phone. Just charge it up with a USB-C cable, and you'll be ready for wireless cooling no matter where you go. You can easily adjust the speed of the fan as well, so you can dial in the perfect amount of cooling for your needs. Look Stand. Look Stand is an adjustable phone stand that can be used with both Android and Apple products. This phone holder is perfect for keeping your phone mounted on your desk, table, or countertop. With a wide list of compatible devices, this phone stand can extend up to 7 inches in height. It will fold away and easily fit into your pocket. With a weight of just 1.58 ounces, you won't have to worry about carrying around bulky phone holders. Look Stand will help you remain hands-free with your daily activities, allowing you to comfortably surf the web or watch videos in your home or in public without having to hang your head or hold your hands up. This removes pressure from your spine and helps you remain alert and aware of your surroundings, so you can look forward rather than down. Look Stand is available now on Amazon and Kickstarter. OBSBot Tail. The all-new OBSBot Tail is the world's first auto-director camera. This camera uses AI to track your movements and act as both your camera person and director. With OBSBot, you can track your movements, zoom, and capture real-time footage in up to 4K at 60 frames per second. Advanced algorithms are built into this camera, allowing it to track, record, and capture 4K videos automatically. You can then edit or share the videos through the OBSBot app on your phone. Simple gesture controls will start and stop the video whenever you'd like, meaning you never have to touch the camera to take amazing video shots. You can lock the focus of the video or set it to automatic. Advanced sensors allow you to capture quality video in low light conditions, on noisy streets, at tricky angles, or on multicolor backgrounds. Just set up the camera, start recording, and let AI do the rest. Tie EDC Wrench. The new Tie EDC Wrench is a device that can help you remove bolts without having to scramble for sockets or different wrenches. With simple one-handed operation, this wrench will allow you to adjust its size with the simple twist of your finger. It is made from solid titanium, so that it will not bend or flex when working on difficult bolts that may be rusted on. There is a removable pocket clip, so you can take it wherever you need to go, and the 550 paracord lanyard means you can clip it on your bag and never worry about it wearing down or falling off. You can adjust this wrench to many different sizes, ranging from 5 to 19 millimeters and 3/16 inch to 3/4 inch. Mesmo Globe. The Mesmo Globe is a brand new toy that is custom machined to rotate in one place after spinning it. Just flick it with your finger, and it will begin spinning for a seemingly endless amount of time. This is a captivating device that will help you focus while taking phone calls or keep your hands busy when you're in an important business meeting. More than 30,000 of these toys have been shipped worldwide, and they aim to be one of the most captivating new desktop editions of 2021. Mesmo Globe is bound to keep your mind and body focused while you work on your daily activities, reducing stress and taking your mind off of the tasks that may weigh you down.
DJI Action 2. A small portable camera can be very useful for you. This product can help you a lot if you are in a place where it is difficult for you to hold your phone or camera. With 4K capability, you can have quality images. Also, with the ultra-wide feature, you can see more details in each image. You can record the best videos with it. You can also use it to take selfies with your friends. Placing this product in different places is a very good feature of this product. Because of its magnetic field, it can easily be attached to other things. It creates smoother images better than ever. You can take this product up to 10 meters lower in the water. And guess what? If you have a waterproof case with you, you can take this camera with you to a depth of 60 meters to accompany you on your adventure. The price of this product is $399. Amazon Astro. Having a robot at home makes life easier for you and other members. Also, there will be Alexa for your home monitoring if you're a fan. You can tell him what to do or he will do it for you. With this robot, you can control your house remotely as it permits you to watch your house online. It reminds you of your to-do list and sends messages on your behalf. It also sits in its place to charge. And if you feel like missing a pet at home, it will be your little cute digital mediated follow if you room to room, playing your favorite music and making you feel the beat. Now you know what a robot can do. Do you still think it does not hurt you much? This robot is priced at $1,000. Ring Always Home Cam. Flying camera, cool, right? When you are not home, you can see the house like this and be aware of what happened. If you have a blood animal and are invited to a party, do not worry about it anymore. You can choose default flight routes for it. You can activate the contact sensors or motion detectors, and your camera will fly automatically. By installing its application on your phone wherever you are, you can check your home. This product saves their videos and you can watch them later. This product has tried to bring security to your home and ease your mind. I have to say that the quality of its videos is also HD and you can see everything in detail. The price of this product is $250.